In other news, local pharmaceutical companies have been exempted from paying import duties on raw and packaged pharmaceutical products.
Import charges for these materials range between 5 and 20%, while imported finished products rather did not incur charges.
Under the ECOWAS Common External Tariff, custom duty on essential social goods attracts no charges. Raw materials and specific inputs take 5%, 10% for intermediate goods and 20% for consumption goods. For local pharmaceutical companies who fall between the raw materials and intermediate categories of 5 to 10%, these rates are disincentive to local producers. Currently, local pharmaceutical production accounts for approximately 30% of medicines required in the ECOWAS sub-region. Industry players say there is the need to increase production to about 60% to help curb drug counterfeiting, which constitutes about 60% of imported products into the country. At the 10th Anniversary Conference and Annual General Meeting of the West African Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Association, WAPMA, President of the Association, Chief Bumi Olaupa, said the industry needs funding for quality assurance.
The issue of current good manufacturing practice, that's CGMP, has become the bedrock of pharmaceutical manufacturing in the world today. No pharmaceutical manufacturing company will be allowed to produce medicines if it does not meet the required standards of GMP. And our national medicines regulators and regulatory authorities, which have also evolved over the years, will stop at nothing to ensure that we keep to the ever-changing GMP standard.
Several partners called on the association to ensure accessibility and affordability of locally manufactured drugs. The health minister, who represented the president, said import duty on raw and packaging pharmaceutical materials are tax exempted.
Government has made available $27 million to some 6 pharmaceutical companies with the sole aim of assisting those companies to retool to attain international GMP compliance. In order to prevent the unfairness to this industry, Ghana has decided and implemented an exemption policy for all raw and packaged materials for pharmaceutical production. In other words, in Ghana, pharmaceutical raw and packaged materials are exempt from import duties under the CET.
Established with 2 pharmaceutical companies in 2007, the West African Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Association now has 200 members. The association aims to promote the manufacturing and availability of high-quality pharmaceuticals, as well as safe and efficacious pharmaceuticals to meet international standards.